Desi, welcome to another podcast episode of Lebohang on 508 FM. And if it's the first time coming across our content, please stay with us and subscribe on the channel, okay? Sibling, you made it. Thank you. Well, Mamela, just a quick one. I just get some few things to get off my chest. You feel me? Just coughing out some few nyana things. Then right after that, ngizobe sengingena into engifisa nje ukuyishare nawe namhlanje, like I won't say it's a topic, but it's just something that I just want to share with you. That's it. Maybe briefly usazoyibukela yonke le video vele ufike nayo ekugcineni. Please ngizocela like while ngisakutshela nokuthi what's coming up. Okay, mkondo wami is not cooperating right now, mara we operate. So yeah, later on I just want to share ukuthi kungani ngi-creator this content. I think ngizibuze kakhulu nje like before ngi-recorda ukuthi enhleke me doing this is actually worth it, like what's the intention? And I think I have an answer, ne? Yeah, I think, but I believe I do have an answer. So keep it locked. But here's what I wanna get it off my chest. Ngithenge ama microphone. I think it was last week, yeah. Nakhona Paul Liam Nhlapo, the brother hit me up yangitshela ukuthi hayi man Talibza mamela kunama microphone lana ku Shein whatever ngazi nebiza kanjani uShane yena low lama microphones ilanka wafaka efonini yakho anale device nya yangazi into nyana nje encane nje uyifaka nje efonini si type what lucky enough aphinda ngene futhi na ku laptop, of which izoyenza izinto zibe lula for mina because equipment enginayo njengamanje we are going to use like ama webcam. Right now I'm recording using my phone because yami yahawulisa, lighting is so bad kanti nami ngimnyamani mara ke asikho lapho. So I'm like no dog, because uthale ship nyana awathole lapho 145 rand awu2. I'm like hayi, it's a great deal. Mara ke baningi budala bakhuluma ngalezi zinto zabo Shina bo Temu wathi, but anikhuluma indaba yamalona mos yama customs, like seyifikile izinto with thinking no siqedile ukukhokha izinto mayifika la sekudingeka enye imali. I'm like hawa, kube le mali beyingekho kusho ukuthi lezi zinto bezizojika bekuzokwenzakalani, besizomela kukhanseleke yonke lento. But ke lucky enough umfowethu bekanayo ke yena uPaul bekanayo nje eduzana imali ukuthi akhokhe la customs. So bekungasasiyona le 145 ebengitshela ukuthi I know a great deal for mina. 145 incane lo mali athi sithenge fast. Mase ngihlanganisa yonke, I think ama customs bewabuma 50 something rands. So yabo ukuthi already sendlulile ku 200 rand. The very same microphones I can get them at 180 something. Mr. Sound khona la standard yona. So I'm like, hayi man, next time ngicabanga ukuthenga via these online things. Hayi no. Cabanga ukuthi kuzongisiza ukuthi ngicheck sise kahle kahle ukuthi nangempela ukulinda that 14 days kuzobe sikhona na isidingo sakho. So yeah, ilokho nje ke kwangifikela nje emqondweni before turning on my camera, because emqondweni nami nginokuthi soon ngibe ngisebenzisa ama microphone doing ama interviews and stuff. I'm back on the camera by myself again. On the last video ngiye ngathi no, next week I'm coming back with the co-host. Yeah. Guess what? No, it's like that happening. So ngisasengedwa kunengi ke ngikunoticile endleleni esengiyiyona kahle kahle. My people skills athanda ukuthi a flop kahle kahle, as well as my communication skills just not that good anymore. Anymore, because I used to be that guy man. Odmaga khuluma like mangifuna into yenzeke, when it comes to ukuthi mina ngikhulume leyo nto kuze yenzeke, I would actually achieve that thing. So manje umzukuzuku guys, I can't even sell a thing. I couldn't even sell an idea to few people ebenginesifiso nje sokuthi ngibe nabo co-hosting with me on this podcast. Lokho kwangishiya ngibuza ukuthi okay, ngihambe ngayilahlaphi yonke lento, and I realized that oh man, yazi uLebo has been so distant from izinto eziningi, like ngeke ngazi isolate from a lot. So even indlela engi-interacta ngayo nabantu manje ayisafani nakuqala, like ayisafani. I even struggled to hold a conversation for like a good 15 minutes. I was so embarrassed actually, like during the week, I think it was on Tuesday or Monday, angisakhumbuli khona la bengikhona, and we were talking with this guy ngimazi nje from back in the days, siyaringa, but then all of a sudden my mind shutted down, like imiyani bese ngida nje just ukumgaya indlebe nje aqede, then sizohlukana nje ngiqhubeke nendlela yami. Then I was like, damn, Lebo, is this you? Yeah. But ke ngeke ngayibuza ukuthi ngilungisa kanjani yonke leyo nto. No, the question wasn't even that, because ngikhumbula konke lokho ukuthi my people skills as well as my communication skills are not as good as they used to be. Ngenkathi ngizibuza ukuthi why am I doing this? Why am I trying so hard to get into this content creating thing? Why do I want to make this podcast? And I realized that actually subconsciously so or unsubconsciously, still isingizivele, yeah, but around that, kodwa nje ngokunganaki umqondo wami, ngicela ngidlalele kwisizulu yabo. Ngokunganaki nje emqondweni wami, I started doing this whole content thing net ukuthi ngizame ukulungisa ingqondo yami, especially when it comes to izinto zokucommunicate nabantu, as well as reintegrating myself back to the community again, like ke ngixhumane nje nabantu, ngijwayeze ingqondo yami ukuthi no, there are other people out there and there are more things to do. So in order for those things to happen, noma kanjani ngiyabadinga abanye abantu, and I have to work on my communication skills as well as my people skills, like having to deal with abantu, like I really need to work on that. So lezi zinto eziningi ezingaka engisafisa ukuzenza kuze igcine zenzekile, kwamele ngibe out there emphakathini. And I'm using YouTube, I'm using content creating, lama microphone, lama camera, ukuthi ngizijwayeze nangempela nje ukuthi ngi-engage on different subjects, different topics, so that ngizothi noma sekufika ke isikhathi la khona ngizama ukudayisa an idea to someone or trying to get a deal of some sort, you know, especially because izinto eziningi lezi engizenzayo kuze zigcine zenzekile, I think lokhu sengikumenshine kanenge zidinga like other people, because I'm more kwi-space sama events, media, communication, funny enough. Marketing communication, it's mainly like public relations as well as marketing and advertising. So yeah, I'm trying to like understand that field more and also make a living out of it. Yeah, just to create a career of some sort, because in me like distancing myself from abantu, it was when I was trying to deal with le simo esengiphila naso, having to be blind, like emva kokuthi impilo yakho yonke bowubona, then all of a Sunday boom 4:15 wena umuntu akasiyaboni. So yabo ukuthi kwavele kwaba yindida nje enkulu leyo, and konke ebengi-passionate ngakho kwakuthi ngiyakhohlwa nje into eyiningi. I'm focusing ekutheni ngi-understand ukuthi why me, why this, why now, yabona yonke nje leyo mibuzo engathi mangibheke emumva manje ngisho ngithi yona besikhona isidingo, not sebesikhona but besingekho isidingo sokuthi ngiyibuze leyo mbuzo, but obviously it came as a shock. So kwaba imibuzo engizibuza yona, iphutha elikhulu engalenza ukuthi ngihlale ekutheni why me, why there ngizama ukuthola impendulo engagcina ngazitholanga. Iphutha elikhulu kwaba yilelo ukuthi ngahlala nje kulokho, trying to understand yonke lento ukuthi wayenzeka kumina, ngangaqhubekela phambili nempilo. So yeah, kuningi nje engisazama namanje ukuthi ngik-understand, but uNkulunkulu emuhle ngisesigabeni la khona ngokwenqondo I've accepted like yonke into ukuthi okay manje kukanje, and my focus isekutheni phambili ngiya kanjani. Hence njoba ngisho nje ukuthi ekuzibuzeni kwami ukuthi why I'm creating this content kuye kwanginikeza nempendulo ukuthi okay maybe yona ndlela yakho yokuthi ungaya phambili le. Share your story ekuyinto engekho comfortable ngayo, but I mean I'm not comfortable with a whole lot of things. I'm not even comfortable with the fact that my life is stagnant right now, so I might as well like get on and do this thing ukuthi ngishare istory sami uncomfortably kunjena, but I will do it. I don't know why I have to do that, but I actually believe ukuthi empilweni masiphila kunengi okwenzakalayo, sibaningi futhi kukuningi okwenzakalayo. Ngathini uhambo lwami kukhona someone out there elungaba usizo kuyena. Ngikushiso yini lokho because I've managed ukuthi ngibe kule point whereby I accept my condition and also ngibuyele ekutheni ngiya kanjani phambili ngempilo. Konke lokho kuye kwa inspire ukulandela izitori zabanye, not to say ukulandela but to be ngayibeka kanjani, ukuzwa uhambo lwabanye abantu. Ulona lela ngibeka nje esimeni la khona ngitshela khona ukuthi yazi ngimane ngiyakhala, ngimane ngiyatetema, like other people out there are going through a lot, and abanye babo are not doing just like I've been doing ukuthi no ngibambeleleke ekhoneni ke ngikhaleke ekhoneni lami and stuff like that, but they are going on ngempilo zabo and izinto ziyenzeka still basabambelele emaphusheni abo and ayafezeka futhi yabo. So ngikule simo yenguso nje sokuthi no, I'm ready and I'm willing to go all in ekutheni ngifeze yawami amaphupho. It's because ngiyengezwa istory somunye umuntu yabo. So that's why nginale strong feeling yokuthi no, let me just redirect more especially uhlobo lo content engilenzayo instead of focusing mainly on the current affairs. Of course now and then I'm definitely going to share my views and thoughts on what's going on around me across the globe. I mean siphila emhlabeni we-internet, zonke izinto ziyenzeka, we are exposed to those things, and me being me, I know ukuthi I'm someone who's very much opinionated, so I'm definitely going to share my views and thoughts on izinto nje ithize that gets my attention okanye engizithola nje zi-interesting. But okuyikona mhlambe engifisa ukugcizelela kuyonke lento engishoyo ukuthi on my platform, please do expect a whole lot of things that has to do with impilo yami. Of course, filtered in what sense? Akukona konke engizokushare. Hey nina ningozi kabi phela mantsele isikhathi. So kukhona engizokushare nje ngempilo yami, kukhona ke ngisazogodla, because obviously I have to respect my privacy, and my privacy being i-privacy yalaba engiphila nabo. So ukuthi mina ngibe sesimeni la khona engifuna ukushare khona ngempilo yami, it doesn't mean I have to like share yonke into, ngisho izinto eseyithinta laba baseduze nami. No. Yebo kokunye kuzotholakala sekuvela lokho, but kuyobe kungeyona inhloso yokuthi mhlambe ngibakhulume kabi or ifocus sekutheni ngi-expose bona in whatever way ebazo exposeka ngayo, but inhloso kuzoba ukuthi I'm sharing what I'm sharing ngenhloso yokuthi ngihileke mina myself, ekuyena why wami ekutheni ngenze le content engiyenzayo. Okokuqala ukukhula ngokomqondo, ukukhula ngokomoya, ukukhula emotionally, physically, I don't know how physically, but ukukhula nje yilokho nje engakusho, ukuzikhulisa, ukuzithuthukisa, as well as ukuthi ngizilaphe. Like even right now, sitting here in front of this camera, saying everything I've just said, ngizizwa nje nginokukhululeka, ngizizwa inqondo yami iba naleyo nto nje ukuthi okay, I'm doing something, I have to focus. Like the way isebenza ngakhona, I'm sure you even noticing ukuthi uma ngiqala ngirecorda i-video uma sengiphakathi nendawo even sengela ngasegcineni ukuthi kuyashintsha because inqondo is getting to that thing ukuthi okay, we are working. Now I have to focus. Now I have to make this thing make sense. Yabo into ezinjengalezo. Though I must state ukuthi I'm not in the business, or rather I'm not here to sound right. I'm not here to be controversial and stuff. I'm just here to share my story, to like make sure that my voice is heard. Maybe you are not the one who supposed to hear me out, but hey, ongakwenza ke at least ukuthi uyishare le link, ushare le video, like this video, so that kuzofinyelela kulo okumele ezwe uhambo lwami nestory sami. Isikhathi masiloku sihamba ngilokho nje ngi-unpack yonke into, as well as ama sit downs engizobe nginawo azobe efocusing more ekutheni ngikhulume nabantu engicabanga ukuthi they have something ezongisiza ekutheni ngiqhubekele phambili ngempilo. So yeah, ama sit downs engizoba nawo nje ngathini ngizobe ngibaselector ngeinhloso nje eyithinta mina kahle kahle, like abantu engizohlala nabo ngikhulume nabo. Inhloso enkulu kube ukuthi ngithole that thing ezongisa phambili, and hopefully you'll find value in those conversations, you see. And yeah, njengoba bengisabelishina ukuthi why wami ukuthi ngenze this content that I'm doing, kungukukhula, ukuthuthuka, as well as ukuthi ngilapheke spiritually, physically, emotionally, mentally, and of course economically. So yeah, content yami izobe nje around all of that, and I have to grow, I have to evolve nami as umuntu. And okukhulu kunakho konke, I believe ukuthi with me doing this content, interacting with abantu abahlukahlukene, kuzong expose to labantu ekumele ngigcine ngifinyelele eduze nabo in order for me to achieve izinto engifuna ukuzi-achieve. I have some few business ideas that I want to try out, and ngokwami angeke ngakwenza lokho, so I need ukuthi ngixhumane nabantu. So I'm doing all of this to make sure that I sharpen my people skills, and yeah, I also sharpen my communication skills. Bakithi kudeka kwenzakalayo engqondweni yami njengoba ngikhuluma, but ekuyikona nje ebengifuna ukukushare nawe namhlanje yilokho. And before sivala, voting. Isivotile ngolesithathu. I'm recording this video, it's Friday afternoon, and before we started recording we checked ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ama results. I'm surprised but not surprised. So i-ANC ya leader njengamanje the completion is around 50 something percent, 55%. Yeah, must check abase asikuboma 55 point something percent completion status. So kusho ukuthi kusazoyiwa ke, but so far i-ANC is leading, is at 40 something, 40 what, 40 bani, 40, I think it's 42 plus, yeah. Then bese kuthi EDA ka number 2, then we have it's PA or EFF ka number 3, DA, MK, yeba. MK number 4, number 3, then bese kuthi number 4 it's EFF, number 5 it's Patriotic Alliance, surprisingly so. Yeah, but yeah, so far izinto zikanjalo. Let's wait and know ukuthi kugcina kwenzakaleni. But yeah, njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi ukuleader kwe-ANC kuyangisurprise, at the same time akungisurprise. Ngizo dive deep into that mhlambe on my next video recording. Bengithi nje ngikushare nje, I'm uploading this video midnight. That means ngizoyi-uploada ke bese kuyi Saturday. So yeah, And yeah, okunye futhi ke kwakhoda my attention what the alpha isingisi lesingisikhulumayo. Okay, kwabamba interest yami nje during the week indaba leka Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj uye wathi ukuthi uphazamiseka kwithour yakhe last weekend. Why I'm sharing this? Kunento esiye singayinaki njengabantu. You can go check that thing out. I'm sure it's all over internet. Mawufuna ukwazi kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni. So bekase airport and bathola ama insangu kwi luggage yakhe ama pre-rolls insangu seyigoqiwe, then bafuna ukusearcha yonke into nje, like I trip yakhe was delayed and all of that. I think bekase is it Netherlands, but bekaphuma eManchester going to but that Europe hamba uyicheck. Mina ngifuna ukusharela kona la ukuthi singabantu asinake ezinye izinto kuye kwa announce mhlambe kwamanye ama countries amaningi. I don't know like South Africa ukuthi so far is status when it comes to ukusetshenziswa kwensango ukuthi kukanjani, because I've once heard nje kwenye nje conversation yayi babeyibambile duze nami, I wasn't part of it. Abantu bevumelana ukuthi no insango say legally say nje into ezikanjalo. I'm like nah, serious. I'm like if you say legally, why abayidayisayo basaphusha ngendlela abaphusha ngayo like kusaqashiswa nje into ezikanjalo. Siye singazifundisi ngezinto esi-interested kuzona. I am actually interested kuyo ilona. Economy, or rather the business of cannabis, mainly with space lesama cosmetics. Me interested nje kamampela, so yeah, I've been delaying ukuthi ngizifundise nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ngale yonto. Then lento le Nicki Minaj yabe singikhumbuza ukuthi actually ngine interest when it comes to this whole cannabis thing, indaba yensango. So yeah, ngisazoyivisitha nje. So if unolwazi and uhlala khona la ilikwa, unolwazi oluthize nje when it comes to indaba yensango, kungakuthi insango isiza kuphi, isetshenziswa kuphi, or rather kwezemithetho, umthetho uthini phezulu kwento ethinta yensango eSouth Africa, hit me up please. I really want to know more nje ngendaba yensango ukuthi kwenzakalani ngayo, simply because I have interest in like getting into business kuso ispace lesela se cannabis. So yeah, yilokho nje enginakho emqondweni. And wrapping up, oh by the way, we've recorded my first sit down. It's not my first, I mean if you check kuma videos enginawo lana on the channel, oh yeah, why manje ngishona lena le, there's something very important that I need to address guys. I got some calls during the week after ngiye nga-uploada the video le sifakile nje yokugcina, babuza ukuthi and then what happened to Level Up podcast, what happened to Sislebu. Guys, here's what's going on. I'm sure you all have noticed ukuthi even igama le channel lishintshile to Lebohang 1508 FM from Elbow 21 TV Radio Mac. The idea, or rather the plan, bekuthi no sizoba ne channel, then kule channel bese kuba ukuthi we push sibambisene nje, we do podcast, mina no Sislebu came up with the name Level Up podcast. So masilokhu sizama ukuyenza, like we've been trying to make it work, and yeah, it's enye indaba esixakayo kahle kahle ukuthi sicace due to ama commitments esinawo ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu. Ngeke ngakhulumela elakhe iside njengamanje because of course usazosenza nje isikhathi sokuthi siphinde sihlale, like now and then nje she will still visit the platform and have conversations mina naye, but kulokho bezama ukukwenza like ukuthi sibe nama episodes esizowa dropa like weekly, naye discussing izinto nje interested kuzona, topics that we want to touch on, yabo, like we've ngathi njengoba senzile ngalama videos cishe siye saba nama sit downs nje like 2 or 3 sengikhohliwe but nje there are videos whereby benginaye khona uSisilebu, and I won't lie, I enjoyed those. Yeah, I still wish ukuthi into nangempela beyiqhubeka nje ukuthi yenzeke like the way besiplanning ngakhona, but due to ama commitments esinawo ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu, so far at this point kuye kwaba into ethanda ukuthi ibe impossible ukuthi singayimanage nangempela and sibe consistent with creating that type of a content. But ngokuthi ke mina ke on my side kunzima ke nokuthi ngilinde until we still don't know ukuthi siyolinda until nini, but umqondo wami needs to like keep working, hence kungakho ngiqhubeka ngalendlela engiqhubeka ngayo. Naye ke uneyakhe i-channel, so I will attach i-link yakhe on the description to i-channel yakhe uSisilebu. Ubengakafaki next so far, but she's working ekutheni naye create a content whenever she can ngakwelakhe iside. So no bad blood, that's my sister, sisabambisene, sisasebenzisana nje kwezinye izinto kuphela ekuyikona kuba inkinga njengamanje ukuthi senze isikhathi ngendlela esifisa ngayo and create content for YouTube, or rather just create content and push a podcast ngendlela esifisa ngayo. But the platform, this one, isingani ke konke kwenzeka la owazi ukuthi I'm the one who took that decision ukuthi okay, now this is what I'm doing. If I decide next week ukuthi I'm uploading a song, because ngiphinde ngibe yiciko phela bakithi, I do music makuvumile. So yeah, anything ozoyithola on this channel has to do with me, and yeah, bengithi nje ngi-address that one ngindlule, because yeah, some people were very disappointed ekutheni na Lebza ngazathi awuzazi ukuthi wenzani. Ngingeke ngabaphikisa, I mean checking indlela engilokhu ngimove ngayo nami ngiphinde ngibe confused ukuthi enhle ngiyenzani, yabo. But ke I think I will soon have a clarity engizama ukugwema ukuthi ngihlale ngingenzi next, because I'm not sure ukuthi yini ngempela engingayenza right now with what I have. So I'll just keep on trying to do what I can do, and hopefully very soon yonke lento engiyizamayo kuyenza will give me direction ekutheni kula engiyakhona okanye this is where I'm going, so this is how I can like navigate my way around or through this whole thing. But basically ilokho engizama ukukusho, I'm here to do me, and hopefully you do find value in whatever engizodecide ukuyi-upload on this channel. Ladies and gentlemen, think sengikhulume isikhathi eside ne. Look, bear with me and keep supporting me, and yeah, hit me up man uma ngabe unokuthize ofuna ukuthi ukushare nami okanye any input ofuna ukuba nayo kukho konke osukwazi ngami. Mhlambe unosizo oluthize, you know, a community of people who are living with a disability okuba blind, and you think it might be, not to say even you think, but I believe ukuthi interacting with abanye abantu abaphila ne-disability engiphila nabo kuzongisiza. Funny enough, ngisahlangane nomuntu oyi-1 eStanderton okhubazeke ngokungaboni emehlweni. I'm like, damn, that means yimi naye kuphela, or mhlambe bakhona abanye abantu nabo la bekhona babhekene ne-challenge efanayo nale mina engibhekene nayo, ukuthi kuye kube naleyo challenge yokungazi ukuthi uzoqalaphi uma ufuna ukwenza something, because nala khona umuntu wezi-empower khona with the information yokuthi no afunde lokhu akufundayo. When it comes to apply yonke lento soyifundile ke le information osowunayo, it gets to be a challenge, like a real challenge. So yeah, uma khona omaziyo nje and ucabanga ukuthi kungasebenzela mina naye ukuthi sixhumane and communicate, check ukuthi mhlambe yini esigcine siphuma nayo, please hit me up, or anything that you think might be helpful, hit me up on social media platforms. It's Lebohang 1508 FM, LEBOOHANG, I mean Kamale channel, same nangale my social media. So yeah, do me that favor, yeah, let's do this again next time. naka le bitso ke nna le bohangeng ba ba ratang sekgowa ba re ke nna Mr. LP double O change. We will keep on trying and trying and trying, and maduzane yonke lento izoqonda. We will find a proper structure nokuthi kube yinto ngempela solid, but we won't stop trying. That's the thing. We're just gonna keep on trying. Unlike Didi, we will keep on moving. Washo Didi wathi nah, we ain't gonna stop, and nangempela zanga stop ukwenza lezi zinto ebekazenza. Now I'm definitely not stopping trying to do what I want to do and pursue my dreams, and hopefully maduzane konke kuzocaca ukuthi kungani kahle kahle kunesidingo sokuthi ngenze lento, but already esengibambelele kona ukuthi with this platform inhloso enkulu ngokuzikhulisa, ngokuzithuthukisa, nokuzilapha spiritually, emotionally, physically, mentally and economically. Let's do this again next time, ladies and gentlemen. Boom.